Alright, boom! As you see, the back of foreigner. Right now, be there in front of one of my building them because I have some unfinished business. This is one of my building them where, need some work done. So right now, I'm going to open it up. First open it up, I'm going to see what going on inside. Take a look. Good. Because I don't want to show not too much of the street. Yeah, but show no what going on. As you can see, it's full of junk. Because I used to rent room and all these things. So I have a whole heap of old bed and a whole heap of sitting stuff when I send guys to Jamaica, all type of things there, So I have a whole heap of junk, But this, I could be a store. I put a coffee shop or some event space or something, As you can see, it's a whole building. I'm going to buy. They're on a main little strip. You see me? They're on a main little strip. So, what I do is, I drop a door right there, so. There's gonna be a wall right here, as you can see. The wall, yeah, I go continue. So, over the store section, I go block off. You see me? And then this door, I go just, for people, we go stay upstairs. So, I go have some apartment upstairs. So, I go upstairs and show you what I go on. That step here is a brand new step where we install last summer. And I go to roll up your frame out, do electrical. So this ready for paint. This paint ready right now. So as you see, come up the step, coming out the hallway. There's gonna be 3 apartments up here. This is the first apartment. You come, boom. This is gonna be the door. Door swing pan the wall. And then this is gonna be a kitchen, see pipe that we drain and everything. So countertop, outlet and them thing there right there, so. And then boom. It's kind of dark because it's not done set up yet. But that space there, I could be the bathroom. And then that space here, walk through here, so now. That could be the bedroom. A nice big size bedroom, as you can see. Very big bedroom. Double closet. Switch that so for the light in the closet them. I have 3 windows, letting whole heap of light. As you can see, bus a pass and things. So it's a main road. You see me? So this close to colleges and then thing there. So this will rent out real quick. So this is a 1 bedroom. We just come out here. You come in all the way again. You make another right in so. So that'll be a studio apartment. So you don't know studios are just all in one. So we have a little closet there, so. You see that 2 outlet there. 1 little countertop there, so like a little kitchenette. And then around the corner here, so we have a little bathroom. So we have some whole heap of work to go. That I go move the little iron thing there out there so for letting in more light and thing. You see me? So I have nice lighting and thing. Stepping down all the way again. I go around here, so. This another kitchen I got it over here, so countertop, refrigerator, see meter box there, breaker box and thing for the space here. Come back here, so. This is gonna be a bathroom. As you can see, one whole in the floor because with level it off back on because the whole building's a whole heap of work. You see me? But yeah, this will be a bathroom for the space. And then come now to the bedroom back here. So nice, big bedroom. 2 windows, another one, yeah. Closet over there, so, and things. So it's a nice little space. Nice 1 bedroom. So we have 2 1 bedroom and 1 studio with big size bathroom and thing. And living space with kitchen area. So yeah, man, that's a go on, what I go on, man. You see me? That's how I make my money, is real estate. Real estate. So I'm there, run off a foreign and start work on people's house and then thing there. So I work on people's house and I say, why am I not have my own house to work on? You see me? So I save all my money when I can, save work and save 7 days a week. Saturday, Sunday, I don't know. Days off, you see me? Some man come and say, oh, my work, I'm 8 hours and then tired. 8 hours my work, I find the next work after my work. And just keep working and build up your thing, you see me? 5 years straight, you just work. Now take no holiday, no trip, no nothing. You see me? If you want good, you know what's to run. So I just work straight, save up everything when I have. Buy 1 house, fix it up, Whole house like this too, just like what I tell you, everything I have to do over, First house I buy, it's so downstairs over there. You can look from downstairs straight through the roof, you see me? Straight through the roof you look, so I have to put back in beam, do back roof and put back in floor joists, frame out the whole place, electrical, plumbing, drywall, everything we have to run in there. It take a while, because I first me did I do it. I do everything by myself. I get help with the roof and them thing there. Pay people up in my pocket, like as my work, I just pay people, work and pay people, no money for myself. Work, say alright, boom, I go buy the material at work. But seeing like when you die, yeah, then you buy a couple block and little sand and cement and sit and I see it mindset, I come and find me and say boom, I buy some sheet track, I buy a couple nail, I buy a couple screw, I buy some 2x4, I buy that door, a one window, you see me, I will have them a new window, you see me, new window, everything. So, I tell you, it take time, but you gotta get it done. And when by summer yeah, this year 2025, the apartment I got ready, as you can see, it paint ready. Once I paint this, put in some floor, get some cabinet for the kitchen, put in the kitchen, bathroom easy. 1 week you can take a knock out a bathroom. I have 3 bathrooms, so that's a 3 weeks, let's call that a month. 1 month, bathroom them done. You see me? Next 2 weeks, can do flooring, paint. Like, you see me? This is about 3 months worth of work. I just say money, I slow it up, you see me? So, something can happen, but it does take time. So, right, me come back to deal it right now. But yeah, man, real estate, that me invest in a yard. No, that me invest in abroad, and that bring me to buying investment property back a yard, you see me? Buy the land, buy the acres. So, yeah, man, so real estate are the thing. You see me? And you just leverage your real estate, you rent it out, guy bank. I use the bank over here, you see me? I use the bank regular. The bank fix up a thing, go to the bank and say, yo, I have that asset here now, what you can do for me? And then lend my money and I use it and buy another one, buy some land outside a yard and thing, you see me? So, that's how you have to do it, man. Work through your partner, you see me? Buy an investment property, go and collect it. You can't work and rich. You see me, you have to find other money that come from different sources. So you work, and then in a month, one little rent money that come from over there. So I have a little business over there. So one little money that come from over there. So you see me, you can't just work out and you see me, you can't work and rich. So the work where you would put in, you use that for investing in something else that can bring you money. It have to be a lot. You see me? Because the first time when I start rent, a little $500 extra I get a month time. And then a little $500 turn into 1,000, and then it just keep on growing and growing and growing. You see me? You just keep on investing it, bro. Some people, they make a little money, as they make the money, so they might say, yo, work hard this year, I have to go on a trip. Trip there in a dog. $5,000-10,000 people are spending to go on all a trip, buy plane ticket and rent hotel room and go on an excursion and all these things. You see me? You done 10 grand in a week for just do that. When that my money they could have flip. You see me put on a down payment on a house or a business or something. So sometimes you have to just put off certain things for a while, and now you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. You see me? You can, what they said back in the day, you can't put the ass before the cat. You see me? So you get the cat, then you get the ass to pull it. Yeah, that's how the thing set. So that's how you have to work it, dog, for real. So may I say, find what you're not good at. If you know it's a business person and you want to open a business, work, save, throw a partner, do what you need to do. Leverage the little money there for getting a business going. Or like me in a real estate, I find look up all house to buy. Some people want to buy a house in the nicest neighborhood. No, I get a year for pre. The house them cheap. You see, first house I buy 10 grand I pay feet US. You see me, 10 grand. And I borrow it. You see me, I think I have about 6 and I borrow the rest and make it up and buy the house. I don't know how it I go fix. You see me, I have the house about a year and a half before it fix. A whole year, almost 2 years before I fix it up. You see me? So I actually fix up one part and live in it. So I can stop pay rent. Probably that pay like $600 for rent. So the $600 they know I used to pay for rent. Start can buy material and help fix up the place. You see me? It take time, man. I might not 20 years in America, so and it happen overnight. You see me? So it take time to build up your thing, your momentum. But as long as you have your plan and you take time to work on it, it does take time chip away at it, must get done. So just what kind of talent you have, what kind of thing you can invest in. If you say somebody else do a thing and you can jump on for them thing and invest in it or help them, you must can find something around you where you can do something else where you can bring in another source of income and don't say, yo, it's too small. You see me? Can be an extra 300 a month, 500 a month, you know what I mean? Something, you see me? And then pack something for you, something, you see me? If you put it to the right use, I tell you, it makes sense. It might start to work out. And once you start get an extra 500 a month, you can say, alright, boom. And this me do forget that. Or I can flip it and get $1,000 a month. They just start, your brain start operate a way where you say, alright, I turn that 1,000 into $2,000 and you just flip it. You see me? You just have to start from something, but don't worry about how much you make at the beginning. Just start. Start something. Yeah man, start some investment. Start. You can just work and spend back your money. You see me? You have to work and save, and then your savings are going to help you move to the next level. You see me? Even if I have to work and save and go back to school, to get a better job, you see me? You have to either invest in yourself or invest in a business or invest in that real estate or something. But as long as some investing are going, pay for go on, you see me? So, if that you need to do, save up so they can go back on one class where you can use a class there. If you go get another job, where you go double your pay, and then think that then where you have your pre, you see me? So, yeah, some people say, boy, I can't afford to save. But you have to do something. You see me? You have to do something. You can't just find the excuse. We know you know a situation where you're there already. So why you dwell upon it? Find a solution. Everybody have a solution for them problem. So nobody dwell upon the problem, dwell upon the solution. Everybody can figure it out. There's always a way. Always a formula. You can find it. Once you start look for solutions for problems, it'll go get solved. You see me? So yeah man, real estate I'm a thing. When time I start work on the place, I'm going to start showing them more and more. Start showing how the progress go and thing. Like I shell it up, get it rent out and thing. And showing how I go on with the real estate. A little I know still, I don't know what leap. Even though I do it for a little while, but I don't know. Other things are going on in my life at the same time. But stay tuned, follow the journey. Like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace!